Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a serious, professional-grade security system for your home or business, today's product delivers reliability, clarity, and smart detection without monthly fees. This is the Anpviz 8CH 4K PoE Security Camera System, U Series, a complete wired surveillance solution designed for high-level monitoring and long-term stability. This system includes 6 8MP PoE IP cameras and an 8-channel 4K NVR with a pre-installed 2 TB hard drive, making it ready to use right out of the box. Each camera captures true 4K ultra-high-definition video, allowing you to clearly identify faces, license plates, and fine details that lower-resolution systems miss. The wired PoE setup ensures stable data transmission and power through a single Ethernet cable, which is ideal for businesses and homes that need consistent performance. One of the standout features is human and vehicle detection. Instead of false alerts from animals, rain, or moving shadows, the system intelligently recognizes people and vehicles, dramatically reducing unnecessary notifications and improving security response. Night performance is equally impressive. The smart dual light color night vision automatically switches between infrared and full-color lighting when motion is detected, giving you clear, color footage even in low-light environments. The 4K 8-channel NVR supports continuous recording, scheduled recording, and motion-triggered recording. With the included 2 TB HDD, you get weeks of storage depending on settings, and the system supports expansion if you need more capacity. Remote access through mobile and desktop apps lets you monitor your property anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a retail store, office, warehouse, or home, this system is built for serious security needs. If you want a no-subscription, high-resolution, smart detection security camera system that works reliably day and night, the Anpviz U Series is a strong investment. Check the Amazon link in the description to see current pricing. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more smart security and tech reviews.